Hey, it's Dave, here to welcome you to the Golf Cart Garage for a closer look at GTW SPYDER Rims and to check out some of the product highlights of these awesome wheels available right here on the web. Thanks, I'll be here all week. We're installing these as part of our Extreme Golf Cart Makeover series, and we got some beautiful results, so we thought we'd share more details with you. We used some Predator all-terrain tires, and we're really impressed with the pleasing aesthetic upgrade and overall quality and durability. So let's check out some of that factory footage to see them in action. Okay, whomever made that video clearly has some Spyder superpowers. Maybe they were bitten by a web developer. So great look, innovative design, multiple color options available to suit your project or makeover, and size options to consider too. The SPYDER rims come in both 12-inch and 14-inch sizes for some versatility in combination with different tires like these to allow for your desired custom clearance, appearance, and ride comfort. In a wheel tire combination, they'll arrive mounted, inflated, and ready to install right out of the box. So let's knock those cobwebs off the old golf cart and give it an upgrade. If you have any questions or need any help with your cart, just get in touch. Stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call at 1-800-401-2934 so we can show you around the garage. And while you're here, give us a like and subscribe for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCGTV.